Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lillian. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. If you've been on this channel before, thank you very much for sticking with me. I'm so excited to have you all here. So guys, today we will be sharing something really awesome. Where do you start learning how to code? Now, this is a question that I get a lot on social media. People asking, where do I start? And today I'm just going to be breaking it down step by step, beginner friendly for anyone considering a career in tech, for anyone who has really started their journey but they're currently bored and not sure how to continue, for anyone who is currently going through a tutorial or maybe a boot camp and you're finding it really boring. I'm hoping that my tips today will be able to set you on a path to success. So guys, if you're interested, please sit back, relax and enjoy. So the very first one I would like to talk about is when you think, where can I start learning to code? My first advice to you would be starting from the basics. Now, like I said, this video is beginner friendly. This video is for people who are from a non-technical background and considering a tech career. This video is also for anyone with no relevant experience. So if that is you, my advice to you would be to start from the basics. If you can think of something like Computer Science 101, that is what I'm talking about. So the basics of computer science would really help you understand how computers work. It will really help you understand things like data types, object-oriented programming, introduction to everything, basically having a very strong foundation. So where can you find these courses? You can find these courses on edX, Coursera or Udemy, or even on university websites, for example. So when I started my journey, the very first course I took was from the University of Michigan. It was a free course online on their website. It was basically an introduction to computer science 101. And this course was really helpful in teaching me how computers work generally and giving me an idea of what I was getting into. I strongly believe that having a smooth journey is dependent on the foundations that you lay for yourself. So if you're currently jumping ahead to something much more difficult and much more involved, my advice to you would be to take a step back and try to look at courses that will teach you a bit about computer science, the bigger picture and what this is really all about. Now, having said that, guys, let's move on to the second one. So the second tip on the question, where should I learn to program or where should I learn to code? The second one would be interactive coding websites, such as Codecademy, Free Code Camp, and many other ones like that. There's so many of them. Now, the reason why you might want to consider platforms like this for your learning is because it allows you to try on hands-on projects. So you build things as you learn. Personally, I somehow found that I tend to retain much more when I'm building things as part of my learning. So if you enjoy building projects, games or to-do apps or calculators or websites or anything really, I would strongly recommend you try out these interactive learning platforms. They may be the best for you. And also what I found in my journey is that these interactive web platforms has a way of pushing you forward and giving you something to look forward to. So for example, if at the end of the day you've successfully managed to build a functional web page, that would make you so happy, motivated and inspire you to come back the next day. So guys, I am so looking forward to seeing all the projects you're working on. I am so happy that you've decided to go on this journey. And if you're going around the internet reading about why should I go into tech, where do I start from, should I go into front end or back end, guys, just get started. What is really for you will find you. So I'm so happy for you guys. I am so excited, and I'm completely here cheering you on and sharing in your journey. If you have any questions or anything that you think my input would help you on, please leave comments in the comment section. I am more than happy to help. And then finally, please remember that you need to join at least one tech community. The benefits of joining a tech community cannot be overemphasized. I say it because I know the benefits is brought to me. Now, having a group of people who are going through the same journey as yourself will really go ahead to boost your confidence. There are people you can ask questions, people you can learn from. So you can find communities on Facebook, you can find communities on LinkedIn. Now, you can also find communities on meetup.com. Meetup.com is a website where you can find meetups or events happening around you. So I strongly suggest that you join a tech community as a way to make friends, build your network, build your confidence, and build your skill. This will help you when you start applying to jobs. So, and finally, I would advise you guys that in your journey into tech, please be mindful of friends who fill you with so much negativity. Be mindful of people who tell you you cannot make it. Be mindful of people who tell you how bad you've been at things previously and why this is going to be bad as well. Because of how intense the process is, trust me, you're already going through a lot moving into tech. Please do not allow any external pressure. Do not allow any external negative influence to take away your sanity. Please, if anyone is making it really difficult for you, please do cut them off, at least until you achieve your goal. Thank you again for stopping by. I hope I've been able to make your day meaningful in some way. I really appreciate that you're here. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.